Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty, and today you are getting a YouTube exclusive. I am at 775 Grace Drive here in beautiful Florence, Kentucky, and this house is centrally located in the heart of Florence, just off Weaver Road. This is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, unfinished basement, 2-car garage, sitting on 6/10 of an acre with probably one of the best backyards in all of Florence, Kentucky. It has a completely redone sunroom that is gorgeous. So let's get to seeing the home real quick. So this is the entranceway. Over here to the left is a formal dining room. Upstairs, you have coat closet, half bath, living room, family room with a gas fireplace, beautiful 3-door view here of, like I said, one of the best backyards in Florence, Kentucky. Going into the kitchen, you'll have granite countertops. Little breakfast room over here. Pantry, unfinished basement. Your laundry room is here on the first floor, and a completely redone sunroom, new carpet, fan, lighting, screening, wood, just with an absolutely gorgeous view of, again, one of the best backyards in Florence, Kentucky. 4 windows right here in the breakfast room gives plenty of natural light. We're gonna quickly head upstairs. All right, so you have to my left, you're gonna have a hall closet, little linen closet, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, full bath, bedroom 3, closet right around the corner. And this is the primary bedroom. It's got great size here. Nice little primary bath, little makeup room, and a huge walk-in closet. So if you're looking for a home here in Florence, Kentucky, this one is priced at $485,000. Give me a call, 859-393-4879, or drop me a line at kenny.s@nkyhomes.com. I'd love to set up a private showing for you. And, you know, if you're thinking about moving to Florence, reach out to me. I would love to help you, here anywhere in northern Kentucky if you're moving in from out of town. I look forward to talking to you.